You are probably using 2 to 3 AI tools, but what if I told you there is a website where you can discover thousands of AI tools in different categories? This video will completely change how you find AI tools for content creation, coding, business and more. So stay with me till the end because this might be the most valuable website you discover this year. Today I am going to introduce you to an amazing website called AI Tool Hunt that will make your AI journey smarter, faster and more productive. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, developer or businessman, this site is gold for you. So what exactly is AI Tool Hunt? It is a central hub where you can discover over thousands of AI tools, neatly organized into categories like video editing, graphic designing, coding, finance and marketing and many more. If you spend hours searching for the perfect AI tool, this site solves that problem instantly. Now here is the feature I personally love the most. Today's AI tool. Every single day, this site show you the newest AI tools launched today. That means you are always ahead in the race of AI. So if you have been just relying on ChatGPT, Midjourney or 2 to 3 AI tools, you are missing lot of things. Go to aitoolhunt.com right after this video and explore the thousands of new AI tools. I will drop the link in the description below. Also let me know in the comment which AI tool do you use in your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your tech lover friends.